What's up, Chatnatics? It's your girl Shakira, and today I am back with another hair tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this beautiful passion twist hairstyle. I did the crochet method in the back and the rubber band method in the front because I wanted a really quick and easy hairstyle as usual. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this, then keep on watching. So the hair that I am using for this tutorial is called Passion Twist Braids, and it is from a company called Toyo Trust. This video is actually sponsored by Toyo Trust. They sent this hair to me. So thank you very much, Toyo Trust, for hooking me up once again. So in the pack, I got a latch hook, some rubber bands, and some hair jewelry, and it had 5 individual packs of hair. So I got this hair in this ombre color that I absolutely love. I don't remember the exact name of the color, but I will definitely put it on the screen and also in my description box so you guys can check it out if you're interested. So I'm starting from the back of my head, and as you guys can see, I am working with 6 cornrows, but later in this video you will realize that I'm working with 4 cornrows, and that is because I took them out and did 4 cornrows instead, because the crocheting process would have been very long with the 6 cornrows. So I'm not going to go too in depth into how to crochet your hair because I have some other videos that I explained it more in depth, and I will put them in the card so you guys can check it out. You can achieve 2 different passion twist styles with this hair, which is amazing. The first twist styles are the ones that I just did, and I twist those in an anti-clockwise direction. To me, those ones look more like the spring twist. And then we have the one that I'm doing now, which I am twisting, as you can see, in a clockwise direction. And this one looks a bit more messy, more like the passion twist, so this is the one I'm going with for this hairstyle. So after I've decided on which twist that I'm going to use for my hairstyle, I went off camera and I pre-twisted my hair because I thought it will make the process very quick. If you know me, you know I do not like to spend hours in my hair, so I'm always looking for the easy way out. So I took my time and I pre-twist my hair so that it will be a lot quicker for me to crochet it into my head. I'm using 3 strands of the passion twist because that's the size I wanted. You can use more, you can use less, depending on the size of the twist that you want. And that is what I love about this hair, the fact that you can decide how big or how small you want your hair. I am so sorry about the lighting, guys. Hashtag small YouTuber problems. But like I said earlier, I took out my cornrows, my 6 cornrows, and I did them bigger, which equal to 4 cornrows. So this is what I'm working with, my 4 cornrows. And like I explained earlier, I'm just crocheting the hair that I pre-twisted onto my cornrows. So this is how it is looking so far, guys. I absolutely love it. I'm going to leave it like this for now, and when I'm finished with the front of my hair, I will go back and fill up any gaps that I see necessary. But this is how I'm leaving it for now, and I'm going to move on to the front of my hair. So I'm going to be using this Let's Jam extra hold to help me achieve some very clean, crisp part, and I'm going to be using the triangular part. But don't worry, guys, I have a video where I explained in depth how you can achieve the triangular pattern. In this video, I'm just going to basically browse through it as I'm not doing my full head. So I will leave that in the cards and also in my description box so you guys can check that video out. I got you, girl, don't worry. So I'm using the rubber band method for the front of my head, and I'm not using the rubber bands that came with the hair because they pop very easily, and you don't want to use them and then they start popping and messing up your hairstyle. So I use my own rubber bands that I got from my local beauty supply store. So the crochet method is basically the same as what you did in the back. You're gonna push the latch hook underneath the section that you section out with the rubber band. You're gonna push it underneath the rubber band. You're gonna hook the hair onto the latch hook, pull it through, and then you're gonna twist the hair. Make sure you separate your hair into 2 equal halves to put into the extension to blend with the passion twist, and then you're gonna twist your hair all the way down and just continue this process until you are finished with your hair. I applied a little gel, not a lot, to my hair just to help enhance the curl a bit, but this hair does not require a lot of products, if any at all. It is super soft, super soft, and it's really nice. I will make sure put everything that I use in this video in my description bar below, and all the details of this hair in case you guys are interested. Make sure you subscribe for more videos, like, share, and comment. Comment, guys. I really love it when you comment because I know I have a lot of naturals watching my videos, and I know my videos help a lot. So your comment will help me to know what hair tutorial you guys would like to see me do. Okay? Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye!